The American business model appears to be changing rapidly as it relates to immigration law and who you put on the payroll. A number of states recently have expanded their laws and are applying significant regulations to companies they do business with. The construction industry is not exempt, according to Tony Weigel, an attorney that represents contractors on hiring issues.
In terms of planning, it really becomes, the company's management needs to figure out where it will do business and if it's going to do government-funded work.
Certain states have gone above and beyond the regulations of the federal government in crafting rules, as Mr. Weigel outlines.
Both Alabama and Georgia have created kind of their own state. Alabama has its own Department of Homeland Security now. I don't know if you knew that. And then Arizona created the Office of a State Immigration Commissioner. So it's kind of like the states are, we've gone from 2006 to having E-Verify mandates to now 2011 kind of independent operating authorities in those states to try to do a lot more at the state level.
ICE, the Immigration and Customs Unit that's part of the Department of Homeland Security, has audited 2,393 companies nationwide this year with its E-Verify system. It's the largest number ever. This, according to Attorney Weigel, is in addition to those states that have decided to clamp down on illegal immigrant workers.
Where you're looking at, for example, Georgia, Alabama, and in South Carolina's more recent law, they have to really look at what's going to be the scope and burden of this state's law. How is it going to impact, operations and costs and availability of labor, and then how is that going to translate into the bid to make sure they've got everybody they need to complete what they're signing on to complete.
So the bottom line is this: if you're in the construction business and you hire employees, you're going to have to make certain that hiring documents are accurate, or it may end up costing you lots of money.